Hello, I'm Rick, the Infobot. Today, I'm going to share you my knowledge about bank checks. So here we start. There are multiple types of bank checks used across the globe. So first, let's start by knowing what is a bank check. A bank check is a bill of exchange drawn on a bank payable on hand. It is a substitute for money but has no legal tender power. When opening a checking account at a financial institution, the customer enters into a contractual agreement that allows the customer to deposit money in the bank and to write checks on that account. Next are the common types of bank checks. So there are 5 common types of bank checks. First is cashier's check. Cashier's check drawn by the cashier of a bank in the name of the bank, against itself payable to a third person. Here is an example. Second, manager's check. Manager's check drawn by the manager of a bank in the name of the bank, against itself payable to a third person. Here is an example. Third, certified check. Certified check, a check whereby the word certified is written on its face, whereby the drawee bank agrees to pay upon presentment for payment. Here is an example. Fourth, memorandum check. Memorandum check, a check on which is written the word memo, signifying the intention to pay the check upon presentment. Here is an example. Fifth, traveler's check. Traveler's check, a check denominated in foreign currency, used in a convenient method of supplying the travelers with sufficient funds instead of carrying a cash. Here is an example. Now, let's go to other types of bank checks. There are 2 other types of bank check. Cross check. Cross check, a check which bears across its face 2 parallel lines drawn diagonally on the upper left side. Here is an example. Second, stale check. Stale check, a check not presented within a reasonable period of time after issue. Non-presentment renders it worthless and valueless. Here is an example. And now, we are going to identify the different parts of bank checks. So there are 9 parts of bank check. Date. Include the month, day, and year you are writing the check. Payee. Write the name of the person or business on the line paid to the order of. Amount in numbers. Write the amount of the check in numbers. Amount in words. Write the amount of the check in words. Signature. Sign all the checks the way you sign the signature card. Routing numbers. The 9-digit string of numbers used to identify your bank to process the transaction. Account number. The number used to identify your unique account within the bank. Check number. The number used to identify a specific check within the sequence of the register. It usually includes 3 or 4 digits. Transit number. Used to list checks for deposit. And now, we are going to discuss the advantages of bank checks. There are three advantages of bank checks. First is safety. Carrying a large amount of money can sometimes endanger your life, or more prone to bad people. That is why, with checks, you are able to go out without carrying a large amount of money, and it's making you more safe. Convenience. When you hang out with your friends to go out shopping and avail some products and services that cost more than a penny, you often have a hard time counting your bills and even stocking coins. And because of this, it takes time and more time to finish the transaction. While with checks, you just have to write the amount of the products and services that you will avail, which is less time consuming for you and your friends. Proof of payment. After paying the products that you purchase, you receive a receipt as an official proof of payment. But sometimes, it gets lost. That causes you to lose track of your finances. However, using bank checks in purchasing the products, you also receive a receipt as an official proof of payment. But when you lost it, don't worry, because you'll receive a mail sent to you that have all your finances each end of the month, helping you to track on your finances.